I'm gonna explain to you how you can share your documents with other people, also how to recover some data that you maybe, somebody made some changes to the document and you want to go back to the first version. And most importantly, I'm going to share you a trick that I haven't seen many people use on Google Sheets, even with very, very advanced people. Not many people know this. So this is going to be at the end, and let's get started. So first of all, to share a document, you just click this button here, and then you choose an email. Now, if you're gonna write an email that is, for example, not a Gmail account, but something Hotmail or whatever, I'm just gonna do email. Then if, they can still send the notification to the person, but they will have to create a Google Sheets, a Gmail account in order to use the template. So they can probably view it, but they will not be able to actually use it. So if you do send this link to them or this notification, just let them know that, hey, you have to create a Gmail account, it's free. Just do it. If you do a Gmail account instead, this is what's gonna happen. As you can see, the view changes. You can choose whether you want to notify people. You can write them a quick message, and you can choose whether they can view the document, comment on the document, or edit the document. If you make them just a viewer, what you can tell in the message is that if they copy the document, then they can edit the document. So basically they can't edit the original document, but they can copy it. Okay, let me just show you how it would look like. So instead of email, I'm gonna use a link. And let's say it's a viewer, and I copy this link, and then I'm going to a random Gmail account. So I've already posted it, but I'm just gonna post it again. And as you can see, it says view only. Now I can request edit access, and that's actually what a lot of people do. Or I can make a copy. So I would go to File, I would make a copy, title it whichever way I want, and then once it's copied, I can make actual changes. So in this document, I am not able to, as you can see, there's no tools for me to color or do anything. But in this one, they're all here, and I can color, change, do whatever I want with the document. So what many people do, they create a view only account, and inside that account they say, for example, they make like a big like a table. So let's say what can we, well, they probably just insert an image, and that image says something, stop or whatever it is, maybe something nicer than that. But they just tell you that please make a copy of this document or you will not be able to edit it. So you can upload just your own image here and tell them the instructions of how everything's gonna go. However, I have a much better method, and that's what I want to share with you right now. So let me go back to my other account and let me talk a little bit about the link. So we click share, we choose change, and then over here I can say, for example, editor. So now they can edit the document immediately. As you can probably guess, the biggest problem with that is that if we go back, I forgot my accounts, I have too many. If I go here and they edit something in the sheet, let's say they delete these because they don't like them, then it's kind of a problem because for everyone, those are gone. So if I go back to my other account, okay, it will make me do this. No problem. So if I go back, as you can see, this is gone. So there was like a full calendar and now it's gone. What I can do in that case, I can edit this. So I click here and I can go and restore different versions. So it's really not a problem for me to restore if I'm the editor. However, I just probably wouldn't want to do that, and I wouldn't want to mess up other people's files. So if this is a template, the best way to do it is we're gonna go ahead, click share. So this is the method that I told you many people don't know. So I'm gonna click share, and then, by the way, these are the cute little animals. So these are all my random accounts that I just connected to this file, so you can actually see who was watching you. Okay, so we go to get link, we change and we choose anyone with the link editor, and we click copy link. Now what's gonna happen is if I go to my other random account and if I do the same, I'm gonna delete this part and I'm gonna type in copy. And now you see, you get a notification and it immediately tells you, hey, you want to make a copy of this. So it's really easy. Like the link before was with the edit and whatever this is, but we just delete all of that. So we just delete everything that goes after edit and the word edit as well, and we write copy. And then this notification appears. So if you do create a template, this is the link I would use. And I hope that this is helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and see you in the next video.